Want to make your Instagram chats more fun? Here's how to add stickers step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap the message icon in the top right corner to open your DMs. Choose any conversation you want to use. Look at the message box at the bottom of the screen. Next to it, tap the emoji or sticker icon. This opens the sticker panel. Scroll through the available stickers to explore options. To send one, simply tap the sticker. Some stickers are animated and will move in the chat. You can also search for specific stickers. Tap the search bar inside the sticker section. Type a keyword like happy, love, or thanks. Instagram will instantly show matching stickers. Tap any result to send it right away. You can also switch to GIF stickers for moving reactions. Browse trending GIFs or search for one you like. Tap the GIF to send it in your chat. You can react to messages too. Long press on a message to see emoji reactions. Tap an emoji to attach it as a quick reaction. Some versions let you create custom stickers. Select a photo from your gallery. Instagram automatically removes the background. Adjust the size and position if needed. Save the sticker for future use. Open the sticker panel again to find your saved sticker. Tap it to send your custom creation. You can also favorite stickers for quick access. Open the Favorites tab anytime to use them. If you don't see sticker options, update your app. Make sure you're using the latest version. A stable internet connection helps stickers load properly. You can send stickers in group chats too. Stickers make conversations more expressive and fun. Check out seasonal and special event stickers. Try combining stickers with text messages. The steps are simple. Open chat, tap sticker icon, choose and send. That's it. Now you know how to add stickers in Instagram chats. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials.